Welcome back to the channel, guys. You know how Diesel does it. And today, Diesel's cooking and Diesel's going to be doing fried rice. Everybody's favorite, man. Yo, you don't have to go to the Chinese restaurant to get fried rice. You can cook it here at home yourself. It's going to taste a whole lot better, easier, and it's cheaper. All right, so let's start with the start of the show. You got to have your rice. Me personally, I use jasmine rice. You can use any type of rice you like, but the shorter the grain, the better. I got some vegetable oil. I got my eggs. I like it on the bite side, so I got some garlic butter. Got my vegetables, salt and pepper to taste, and you know we gotta have the soy sauce. I got a Kikkoman brand, but if you don't have Kikkoman, just use what you got. All right, so I got a wok over here, kind of small wok. I should have got a bigger one, but that's what I had this for, so I got that one. So let's get it cooking, guys. Let's go. All right, got my wok heated up. See it steaming up. Let's go and add that oil in here. Get that oil up to temp. Yes, sir. Let that oil heat up. Now, the start of the show, of course, is the rice. Now, the secret of good fried rice is you want to let this rice get as much water out as possible. So, you want to make your rice and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. Now, when we get the rice out, you want to break up as many big clumps as you can. Try to get as many individual grains of rice in your container as possible. So I broke this up pretty good. Got my wok up to temp. Oil is hot. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, so in my house we like a lot of eggs, so I got 3 eggs. Now you're gonna do this to taste for you. You may only need 1 or 2 eggs, but I'm going with 3 eggs. Oh yeah. So you want to whisk that around in there. Keep that oil all mixed up in there with that egg. Now you don't want to completely cook this. You want to get it kind of soft. At this point you can season the taste. I always hit with a little salt and pepper on my end. Oh yeah, that is beautiful, beautiful, guys. Get all that cooking up in there. You don't want to fully scramble these eggs in here. So that's nice and soft. At this point, I'm going to hit it with the vegetables. Now your eggs going to continue to cook, guys, so don't, at this point, fully scramble your eggs. Get those vegetables in there. Get them guys nice and soft. Some raw broccoli. Probably should have added the broccoli in first, but it's going to continue to cook. Let me thaw that up in there. See your vegetables become soft and translucent. Let all those vegetables marinate. Now you want to continue to stir your vegetables and your egg. Let everything marinate. Alright, so at this point, my wok is super hot. Oil is super hot. Time to add the rice. So I'll make a little spot in the center. I'm gonna dump all that rice in there. Yeah. Now we're gonna mix the rice, the egg, and the vegetables in here. Continue stirring, breaking up any big lumps you may find. All right, at this point, it's looking good. Got a lot of rice in there. You already seasoned the egg. Now it's time to season the rice and the vegetables. pepper. Come back to the sauce. And you're not gonna forget about you. Hit it with the salt. I'm kind of partial to kosher salt. That's what I cook with. But if you like light salt or just regular salt, feel free to use that as well. So at this point is where I wish I had a bigger wash. Got everything thoroughly mixed. And we're getting ready to add the soy sauce. Now, a lot of people will add the soy sauce right in the middle. That's a mistake. What you want to do is add the soy sauce around the wok, and you want to let it get that burnt texture. So I'm not going to hit it in the center. I'm going to come around the edge, let it sizzle, let it caramelize on the heat of the wok. And I'm going to continuously mix in the soy sauce. All right. See how it's starting to brown up? Yeah. That's good right there. Now, like I said, I like the hibachi flavor of fried rice. So I'm going to be hitting with a little garlic butter in a while. But this is where cooking experience comes in. I see that I need to add more soy sauce. Of course, I got to keep them as brand sauce. So again, I'm going to come around the edge, not in the middle. Yeah, let it flare up. Yeah, let it do its thing. Now we're going to mix that in there. Let that brown up. That's the secret again, the restaurant quality fried rice. Don't dump the soy sauce in the middle of the rice. You want to go around the corner and let the soy sauce catch the heat of the wok. So at this point, everything's pretty much mixed up. Vegetables getting soft. Eggs are done. Now it's time for me to add my garlic butter in. Oh, you see, I'm going in with all of it. I really like that hibachi taste in my fried rice. So, kind of thoroughly mix in all that good butter. Because everything tastes better with butter, baby. Yeah. Get all that rice fried up real good. If you find anything sticking to the bottom, you want to incorporate that into your food. Again, guys, don't be afraid of the heat. Don't cook it on low. You need that high heat to get that fried rice. Now that, my friend, that's looking delicious. I'm going for a third round of the soy sauce. Just because I'm a grown damn man. And I cook how I feel like it. And I feel like it would be really, really good. A little bit more salt. Now everything is thoroughly mixed. Fry it up. Man, I wish I could smell this. Smell like straight hibachi in my kitchen. Remember, guys, prep time on this, 10 minutes. Cook time, 10 minutes. You can have your better than restaurant quality fried rice at home. Cheaper and anytime you feel like it. So again, guys, if you made it this far in the video, please hit that like button. Good for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment on how you feel about my cooking technique. Subscribe. Try to get to 1,000 followers. That would be really, really great. Let's kill that heat. Let's go in for a taste test. Get that piece right there. That's good. Guys, gotta try this.